Student, our next topic is how does gravity vary with the altitude above the surface of the earth. The acceleration due to gravity we can write in this equation g equal to m into m suffix e into g by r square. The acceleration due to gravity at a height h on the surface from the surface of the earth. So this diagram, this is the center of the earth and this is the surface of the earth. It is the height that we have to measure from the surface of the earth, and we will calculate how can it differ from the gravity from the on the surface of the earth and from a height of h distance above the surface of the earth. So on height h on the surface of the earth, we can write that time the gravity value will be g dash, and it will be written as g dash equal to g into m suffix e by r e plus h the square, such like this. Okay, so if we compare g by g dash, then we get that g into m suffix e by r e plus h whole square into r square divided by g into m square. Cancelling this, we can write that g by r e plus h square. Here the value of rf, here the radius of the earth is lower than the radius of the earth along with the height h by this relation. So re by re plus h is always less than 1, and the re by rh plus h the whole square, it will be whole square. Okay, that will be less than 1 because this value will be increased markedly. That's why this value will be increased and re value will be decreased. Therefore we can write that g dash by g less than equal to 1, therefore g dash less than g. So we can say that the acceleration due to gravity is the highest on the surface of the earth. If we move upwards from the surface from the surface of the earth, the gravity or the acceleration due to gravity will be decreased. Okay, in the other word, we can say that the acceleration due to gravity decreases with decreases altitude above the surface of the earth. So in this position, that means on the surface of the earth the g value is the maximum, and we move up, and if we move upward from the surface of the earth, then the g value or the acceleration due to gravity value will be decreased. So students, all of you will read up to page number 32 with the help of this video.